Yes students, today we are going to calculate the torque acting on electric dipole in uniform electric field. First of all, what is electric field? Uniform electric field. Uniform electric field means field at each and every point electric field intensity is equal. Means if you consider this point, whatever the electric field will remain same electric field intensity at this point also, and field lines are parallel to each other. Here we consider that uniform electric field. We know that electric field direction from positive charge to negative charge, means we consider this side positive charge, this side negative charge, and we put one dipole moment inside this uniform electric field. Once you put the dipole moment, then plus q charge here we consider minus q charge. We consider this is the center of the dipole, angle theta, and this distance is a, this distance is also becomes a. Here we know that here we consider minus charge, here we consider positive charge. That means there is a Coulombian force between these two charge, and the force acting on this charge QE will be in this direction because of attraction. Same way, if we consider here, then here also minus q plus q means again force, again plus QE charge, QE force in this direction. Means if you consider the positive charge, then force on it is also QE. If you consider the negative charge, force on it is also QE. But we can see the directions are opposite. It means that resultant force is 0. It means that there is no translation motion. Now suppose we consider that this point O, this point A, and this point is B. Same way here, O, A and B, this distance is A, this angle we consider theta, so that sin theta is equal to AB divided by A, so that AB is equal to sin theta into A. Here we consider that there is no translation motion, but you can see that the line of actions are different. It means that it will produce couple, and once we know that if the couple is there, that means there is a rotational motion is there. It means torque will act on this electric dipole. For that we consider that torque equation. What is torque equation? Torque is equal to Rf sin theta. Same way here also we consider the torque acting on the first charge τ1 is equal to F A sin theta, because perpendicular distance AB is equal to A sin theta. Same way here we consider this distance, then this distance is also becomes A sin theta. The torque τ1 is equal to F into A sin theta. F is equal to QE. Torque τ2 is equal to again QE into A sin theta. Here we consider the force acting on this dipole charge in this direction, force acting on this charge in this direction. Means this direction try to move in this direction, clockwise direction, and this charge is also torque acting on this is also in the clockwise direction. Means resultant torque is the addition of these two torque, 2 times QE A into sin theta. Q into 2A is equal to P E sin theta. Once you remove the sin theta, it means if you want to write down in a vector form, then torque is equal to P cross E. Now here we consider the different cases for this. Suppose if we consider that angle theta is equal to 0. Once you consider theta is equal to 0, then sin 0, 0 means there is no torque on this dipole moment. It means that in this case dipole moment will be in this condition. Initially it is in this condition, but if you consider theta is 0, the dipole moment is aligned with a uniform electric field. Now if we consider the theta is equal to 90, sin 91, that means torque is going to become PE, it means it is maximum. Means in this condition torque will act on the dipole moment is maximum when we consider the angle between uniform field and the dipole moment is 90. Now suppose if we consider that here we consider field is uniform, But if you consider that field is non-uniform, then what happened? Suppose we consider field is uniform, then we know that there is no translation motion, only rotational motion. Torque will act on it, and now it becomes stable because now angle is 0. But suppose if we consider that non-uniform electric field like this, and you put one dipole moment here, then again this side high electric field, this side low electric field, it means again force will act on it, again rotational motion, dipole will align with angle 0 degree, and then this side more force and this side less force, means once dipole rotate, that means rotational motion is there, and then after translation motion is there when we consider non-uniform electric field. But if you consider a uniform electric field, then only rotational motion is there, there is no translation motion.